This tutorial will walk you through how to create a super cute owl purse. The flap is the forehead and beak, and it uses a magnet closure. You can download the free pattern for this by following the link in the description below, and then follow along with the step-by-step instructions. To start with, you want to apply interfacing to the front and back bag pieces. Then you want to finish the edge of the pupils with an overcast stitch to prevent fraying. Next, you want to sew the pupils to the center of the eyes. Sandwich the pupil between the second eyepiece and sew it around the perimeter. Make sure to leave a gap so that you can turn it to the right side, and then repeat for the second eye. Clip the curve around the eyes and then turn it to the right side. Sew up the gap and top stitch around the edge if you would like to. Next, you want to sew the eyes to the front of the bag. Now it's time to get the owl chest ready. Fold over the straight edges of the owl chest and baste them in place. Then you want to sew the owl chest to the bottom of the bag. Line it up with the bottom, and it should overlap just slightly with the bottom of the eyes. Then sew it in place. Now we want to get the side of the bag ready. Apply interfacing to the side bag piece. Then sew the side bag to the front with right sides together, and then add the back in the same manner with right sides together. Then turn the owl bag to the right side. Now let's get the strap ready. Apply interfacing to one strap piece. Sew the two strap pieces together along the length. Trim the seams and turn the strap to the right side. Now you want to baste the strap to the sides of the owl bag. Now let's get the flap ready. Apply interfacing to one side of the flap. To that side, you want to add the magnet closure to the tip of the flap. On the other flap, you want to add the beak. To start with, fold over the curved edge of the beak and baste it in place. Then sew the beak to the tip of the other flap, the one that does not have the interfacing. Next, you want to sew the flap together with right sides together. Clip the corner and then turn it to the right side. So now the beak should be on one side and the magnet on the other. Baste the flap to the back of the bag with right sides together. And then you want to finish the top edge of the bag with some single fold bias tape. Sew the bias tape around the upper perimeter of the bag. And then fold over the bias tape to the inside of the bag. Press it in place and sew it through all layers to encase those raw edges. Make sure to use a matching thread because the stitches will show on the front of the bag. Now all we have to do is add the magnet clasp. Determine where the magnet should be on the front of the bag by testing it with the flap. Then add the other side of the magnet. And now you're finished. You have your adorable owl crossbody bag.